Billy Miner pie? Yes, let's do it. I know it's a lot of steps, but keep watching because it's worth it. Let's start off with the chocolate sauce. You're going to take unsweetened chocolate, butter, sugar, evaporated milk, and vanilla extract. Stir it until it's silky smooth. Set aside to cool. In another bowl, you're going to take crushed Oreos and butter and reserve half of it. The other half you're going to place in a springform pan and freeze it. And then you're going to add softened coffee ice cream, smooth it over the top. And then you're going to add the other half of your crushed Oreo mixture. Smooth it out just until it covers the ice cream. Freeze it, and then you're going to top that silky smooth chocolate sauce. Oh yeah, check that out. And then you're going to freeze again. I know it's a lot of steps, but trust us, it's so worth it. Top it with whipped cream. And then you're going to serve it with chocolate sauce, caramel, and slivered almonds. Please try this. It is so worth it.